focus on various COVID-19 vaccines. Vaccine. A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe, its toxins, or one of its surface proteins. Vaccination. Vaccination is the most effective method of preventing infectious diseases. Coronavirus disease. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. A COVID-19 vaccine is a vaccine intended to provide acquired immunity against severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, the virus causing coronavirus disease. Different COVID-19 vaccines. Pfizer-BioNTech, developed by Germany and America. The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine is recommended for people aged 12 years and older, recommended as a series of 2 doses 3 weeks apart. Moderna, developed by US. The Moderna vaccine is recommended for people aged 18 years and older, 2-dose series separated by 28 days. Johnson & Johnson's Janssen vaccine, developed by US. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is recommended for people aged 18 years and older. It's a one-shot vaccine. Covaxin, developed by India. It is a 2-dose vaccination regimen given 28 days apart, recommended for age group 18 years and older. AstraZeneca vaccine, developed by British. AstraZeneca vaccine can be safely administered 4 to 12 weeks apart, recommended for people aged 18 years and older. AstraZeneca known as Covishield in India. Sputnik V vaccine, developed by Russia. The V in its name means victory over COVID-19. The Sputnik jab uses 2 slightly different versions of vaccines for the first and second dose given 21 days apart. Sinopharm vaccine, developed by China, recommends an interval of 3 to 4 weeks between the first and second dose. Recommended its use for people aged 18 and above. Sinovac, developed by China, recommends an interval of 2 to 4 weeks between the first and second dose. Remdesivir vaccine, developed by China. It's a one-shot viral vector vaccine recommended for adults aged 18 and above. Covivax vaccine, developed by Russia. The Covivax shot is given in 2 doses 14 days apart. Vaccines awaiting authorization as on 16 June 2021. CureVac in the European Union. Novavax COVID-19 in the Europe and US. Hope you all had an informative session. Thank you.